Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is about currency swap arrangement. Recently, India and Sri Lanka has signed an agreement for currency swap facility. Now we are going to see important details of this agreement between the countries. Then I will cover in general about the currency swap and its benefits for the country. Looking into the currency swap agreement between the India and Sri Lanka, RBI has signed an agreement for extending a 400 million currency swap facility to Sri Lanka. This currency swap agreement is done mainly to counter the declining foreign currency reserves in Sri Lanka as the nation is hardly hit by the pandemic. This agreement has been signed under the SHARC frameworks and will remain in force till November 2022. The base for this bilateral currency swap agreement is from the SHARC currency swap framework. We all have idea about SAARC. It is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It is a regional intergovernmental organization consist of 8 member countries, mostly of our neighbor countries and island nations. This currency swap framework came into operation in 2012 and currently it was revised in 2019. As per the framework, RBI will offer swap arrangement within the overall corpus of $2 billion US. These currency swap facilities is available for all SAARC countries, but if any country want to avail this facility, it has to enter into bilateral swap agreements. Under this framework, now the Reserve Bank of India and the Central Bank of Sri Lanka has entered into bilateral agreement for currency swap facility. What is currency swap? From the word swap, you can understand that it is a exchange. Exchange of what? Exchange of currencies. So it is an agreement between the two countries to exchange currencies with predefined terms and conditions. Based on this agreement, the countries will exchange an equivalent amount of money with each other but in different currencies. The agreement will be for a certain period. After that, both the countries will agree to repay the amounts. To understand even more better, let's discuss how it works. Let us consider the example of two countries that has entered into the bilateral currency swap facility. Here it is India and Sri Lanka. The agreement is done for around 400 million US dollar. So Sri Lanka can make withdrawal of dollar or euro or Indian rupee in the multiple tranches up to a maximum of 400 million US dollar or its equivalent. In turn, it will provide equivalent fund in its currency to India. The exchange of the currencies will be based on the market exchange rate at the time of transaction. Then the countries agreed to swap back these quantities of their currency at the specified date in the future using the same exchange rate as in the case of first transaction. In the case of India-Sri Lanka bilateral agreement, date is on November 2022. Looking into the benefits of the currency swap agreement, one of the major benefits is there will be a fixed exchange rate. It means exchange rate is predetermined over the specified period of the time and the same exchange rate will remain during the repayment. From this you can understand that the exchange rate of the currencies is not based on the market force, thereby it prevents from any kind of exchange rate risk. So there will be a flexibility of the transaction between the countries as it will fix the exchange rate over the fixed period of the time. Next benefit is it will help the countries to fulfill the short-term foreign exchange liquidity requirement. That is, the country which is receiving the dollar will have the flexibility to use this reserve at any time in order to maintain an appropriate level of balance of payment. It reduces the volatility in the currency, thereby provides stability in the foreign exchange. These all in turn improve the confidence of the market. Looking into the significance of these agreements in terms of the bilateral relations between India and Sri Lanka, it shows India's commitment to help its neighbor on its economic revival during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. It will act as a rescue package from the Indian government as the Sri Lankan government is in the form of debt trapped due to the higher dependence on the Chinese loan. Then this agreement will act as a supplement to promote the economic relationship between the countries in terms of the trade. Does India have similar swap line with any other country? India has signed a currency swap facility with Japan for around 75 billion US dollar. And currently it is also negotiating with the US, that is United States, for the similar currency swap facility. From the SAARC currency swap framework and the currency swap facility with the Japan and US, you can understand that currency swap arrangement can be bilateral one or the multilateral one. That's it for the day. Thank you.